Man shot in Grand Spend by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A man was shot by the police in Grand Spend, St. Andrew earlier Tuesday. The Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit confirmed the police involvement in the shooting, but said that the injured man has been taken to hospital. According to reports reaching Link 007 TV News, the shooting took place sometime after 8 p.m. when the police were reportedly responding to reports of a shooting. The police have also stated that a firearm was seized during the incident. We'll provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.